Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Siti Atirah binti Muhammad Khairi. My matric number is 211092529. So today I will present and demonstrate my final year project. The title for my final year project is Optimization of Distribution Generation Placement in Distribution System using Puma Optimizer for Power Loss Reduction. Okay, the main objective which related to this demonstrate are to determine the optimal placement of DG in radial distribution system based on loss reduction by using Puma Optimizer, and to compare the power losses in the system before and after installation of DG using Puma Optimizer. Okay, for my final year project, the main tool and the software that I'm using is MATLAB. The advantage of this tool, firstly, syntax and paradigm, and the second one is a rapid prototyping. The command window and the live editor for MATLAB is allow for immediate execution of code snippets, variable inspection, and iterative development. As compared to the others software, have a longer write, compile, run, debug cycle. Interpreted language like Python offer interactivity, but MATLAB integrated environment is specifically tailored for numerical exploration with seamless variable management. Okay, for this demonstration simulation, we do run for DG placement using Puma Optimizer. For 1 DG or 1 bus for type 1. For location, we set L and S for sizing. For type 1, we inject 4 megawatt and we set as number 7. And if you want to inject megavar, we set for number 8. Okay, for our iteration, we set to 100. It can be 50, 100, 150, 200. It depends on us and our equipment performance. And for lower bound, for location, I set to 2 because bus 1 is like bus. And for upper bound location, I set to 68. For lower bound for sizing, I set 0.1. And for upper bound for sizing, I set 5. Okay, for dim, we set to 2. If we change the condition to 2DG, 2 bus, either type 1 or type 2, our dim, we make it double. So from 2, it become 4. And after that, we run the simulation and the result will show the chosen DG and the location and also sizing. Okay, for this simulation, for 1 DG type 1, our result with 100 iteration. For location, at bus 61 and the sizing 1.8726 with the fitness or power losses 0.0832 megawatt. Okay, this is the graph or the curve that we got from the simulation. It shows the best fitness versus iteration. Okay, for the next simulation, we obtain the next objective to compare the power losses in system before and after installation DG using Puma Optimizer. The total losses that we got from this simulation for megawatt is 0.225 and for megavar 0.102. Okay, for this condition simulation, okay, we need to inject or put the DG manually and randomly to find the optimal losses. And I think that's all from me. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum.